Guys, today we talk about how can you fix this problem on your Globoplay app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click here on settings, so then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you search here for apps, click here on apps. Then come to apps list here, and here you looking for Globoplay app, or just click on search. Then here at Globoplay, it's going to show for you like this. So you click on it, then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on for stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage here. Then you come to storage list, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.